Introducing 2814 Dunsmuir Avenue, a distinctive character home situated in the heart of Cumberland. This corner lot property, built in the early 20th century, in 1901, offers a unique glimpse into the architectural history of the area. Covering 937 square feet, this two-bedroom, one-bathroom home features an efficient layout, making the most of the space. The centerpiece of the living room is a pellet stove, offering a cozy touch that enhances the home's overall warmth. In addition, the property includes an upgraded electrical panel and a heat pump that provides air conditioning. Located directly across from the village park, this home offers access to tennis courts, dog park, soccer fields, and a water park. Cumberland's vibrant community features extensive trails and active events. For more details, visit comoxvalleyhomes.com.